Here's the fact about all snorers. They always fall asleep first. You ever notice that? Snorers never let you fall. As soon as they lay down, it's the worst sound you've ever heard in your life. If you've never slept with a snorer, you're sleeping good. But if you have, you know what I'm going through. As soon as they lay down, all you hear is... all these noises are coming from their face. You're staring at them like, shut up! Why are you so noisy? And then they wake up in the morning and go, how'd you sleep? I didn't sleep at all. Yeah, there's noise coming from your face.